How much youth in lakhs is unemployed in states B and D together? One is youth data, another one employed youth, but we required unemployed. Means difference between youth and unemployed. Youth and employed, we are get the which one? Unemployed. What is the B value? 8. Out of 8, 7 are employed. What is the unemployed? 1. Next in D, 10 are youth, in that 7.5 are employed. What is unemployed? 2.5. What is the question here? Sum value. What is the sum? 3.5. Next question number 52. A person's salary was increased by 50% and subsequently decreased by 50%. How much percentage does he lose or gain? Means successive increased by 50 and decreased by 50. What is the formula? A plus B plus AB by 100 plus 50 minus 50 plus 50 into plus 50 into minus 50 by 100. Zeros are cancelled. What is the answer? Minus 25. Next 53. A 9-digit number 485 x36785 is divisible by which one? 72. For the smallest value of x, then find the value of 2y minus 3x. It is divisible by 72 means it must be divisible by 8 and also 9. What is the divisible rule of 8? Last 3 digits are 7, 8, y. Already 7, 8 means 72 is exactly divisible. What is the remaining? 66 means y value return 4 or 5? 4. And x must be smallest value or largest value? Smallest value. X will return 0. Okay. Suppose if x value 0 not possible, then take the 1 first. Already check the divisible rule of 8. Again we are check the divisible rule of 9. Some of the digits are divisible by 9. 4 plus 8, 12. Or 4 plus 5, 9 cancel. 3 plus 6, 9 cancel. 8 plus 7, 15. Plus 8, 23. 23 plus 4, 27. Means x must be 0. What is the question here? 2y minus 3x. 2y means 2 into 4. 3x means 3 into 0. What is the answer? 8. Next 54. The number of girls in school D is what percentage less than the number of boys in school B? First school D, what is the total percentage? 18%. In that girls and boys 1:2. Total 3 parts. 3 parts are 18 means what is the 1 part? 6%. Girls in school D 6%. Next boys in school B. Total how much? 15. That is split at 2:3 ratio. Boys are 3 parts means boys is 9%. Is what person less? What is the ratio? 2:3. That is 1 by 3. What is the answer? 33. 1 by 3%. One is 6%, another one 9%. Ratio 2:3. How many parts are less? 1 part. 1 upon 3. Next question number 55. In the month of March, D earned on an average of 501 per day. March total how many days? 31 days. What is the per day value? 501. Total it is 31 into 501. 31 5s are 155. 1 time means 31. That is 31 days value. For the first 18 days, how many rupees are average? 495. 18 days value 18 into 495. Okay, that is written 500 minus 500. 18 into 500, 9000. 18 into 5, 90. 9 and 9000 minus 90, 8910. Next, for the last 15 days his average are 505. 15 into which one? 505. 505 means 500 plus 500 means 7500 plus 75, 75, 75. Okay, these two are adding, we are get the total how many days value? 33 days. In that already we know 31 days value. Subtracting, we are get the remaining 2 days value. What is the sum value? 85, 89 plus 75, 164. Out of 16,485, we are subtracting how much value? 15,531. What is the remaining? 5, 4, 900, 954. That is sum of the remaining 2 days are only 1 day. Remaining 2 days. And on the 18th March, he earned 50 rupees more than the he earned on 17th March. Means sum of the 18th value and 17th value equal to which one? 954. And difference between 18th and 17th is how much? 50. What is the question here? He earned on 18th March. Means both are adding by 2 or subtracting by 2? Adding by 2. Both are adding means 1004 by 2. 502. Next question number 56. A solid cone of radius 7 centimeters and the height is 7 centimeters was melted along with two solid spheres of radius 7 centimeters each to form a solid cylinder of radius 7 centimeters. Means one is cone and another two diagrams are spheres. These three are melted to form a which one? Cylindrical shape. Okay, means one cone, two spheres. It is converted to which one? Cylindrical shape. What is the cone volume? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Next, what is the sphere volume? 4 by 3 pi r cube. How many spheres? 2 or not? Then we return 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. These two are adding, we are get the total volume. The total volume equal to which one? Cylinder volume. What is the cylinder volume? Pi r square h. First of all, in all the cases radius are same or different? Same or not? Radius of the cone 7. Radius of the sphere also 7. Radius of the cylinder also 7 or not? First we are cancel the left hand side pi value, right hand side pi value or not? Left hand side r square, right hand side r square cancel or not? What is the remaining value in left hand side? H by left hand side remaining value h by 3 plus 8r by 3 or not? Actually r cube or r square? R cube. What is the remaining? R value. That is equal to which one? H or not? Okay. And left hand side h means how much? 7. But we required which one? Right hand side h value or not? Left hand side h 7 means that is cone height or not? This one I written 7 by 3 plus 8 into what is the radius of the sphere? 7 by 3 equal to height of the cylinder. 8 7s are 56 plus 7 means 63 by 3 means 21. Means height of the cylinder equal to how much? 21. What is the question here? Curved surface area of the cylinder. What is the formula? 2 pi RH. 2 into 22 by 7 into R. What is the R value? 7 into 21. 7 7 cancel or not? End with 4 or not? Which option? 924. Or verify the 11 multiple, but first option 11 multiple, third option 11 multiple, fourth option also 11 multiple or not? 88, 880, it is 7 multiple. 880, 7 multiple? No. 2196, 7 multiple? No. 924? Yes. Because height is how much? 21 or not? Height value 21 means answer also 7 multiple or not? Next question number 57. Anyone need? No? Question number 58. In the following figure, AD bisects the angle BAC. Find the length of the BD. Bisector concept means AD and here BD value and DC. If AB and AC A is to B ratio means BD and DC also A is to B ratio. Or the bisector concept, if AB and AC are A is to B and BD and DC also A is to B. And what the AB value 6, what the AC value 2x minus 3, that is equal to which one? X minus 2 by x. Equal ratio or different ratio? Equal ratio. If it is A is to B, these two also A is to B. Simplify this one, we are get the x value. Take the x value 6. Take the x value 6. X equal to how much? 6. Numerator by denominator, denominator by numerator. X equal to how much? 6. If x value 6, what is the question here? BD. What is the BD value? X minus 2. What is the answer? 4. Anyone doubt? 6 by, what is the denominator? 9. 6 by 9 means 2 is to 3. Left hand side 2 is to 3. What is the right hand side? 4 by 6. 4 by 6 means 2 is to 3. Next 59. In triangle ABC, the perpendiculars drawn from ABC meet the opposite sides at points D, E, F respectively. AD, BE and CF intersect at point P. If angle EPD equal to how much? 110, then and the bisectors of angle A and angle B meet at point Q. Find the angle AQB. First of all, triangle ABC. Next AD, next one BE, next one CF. All these are meet at point P. Meet at point P. Angle EPD equal to how much? 110. EPD means this angle is how much? 110. Okay. And here EPDC, it is considered quadrilateral. In quadrilateral, what is the sum of the opposite angle sum? 180. If it is 110 means opposite value 70. Okay. Next. And the bisectors of angle A and angle B meet at point Q. What is the A bisector? This pointer. And what is the B bisector? This pointer. Means it is point Q. The bisectors of angle A and angle B meet at point Q. This one bisector value. We required angle Q. We required angle AQ means we required angle Q value. That angle Q we written 90 minus theta by 2. What is the theta value here? 70. Plus 7 minus plus or minus plus 90 plus theta by 2. Sorry, plus 90 plus theta by 2. What is the theta value? 70. 90 plus 70 by 2 means 35. 90 plus 35. 125. Next question number 60. Two trains are running on parallel tracks in the same direction at the speed of 80 and 90. The two trains crossed each other in 3 minutes. If the length of the one train is 230, find the length of the other trainer. First of all, both are moving in same direction. What is the relative speed? 10. Difference of the speeds or sum of the speeds? Difference of the speeds. But both are cross each other in how many minutes? 3 minutes. 10 kilometer per hour, it is the speed value kilometer per hour. Converted to meter per second into 5 by 18 into how many minutes are given? 3 minutes. 3 minutes means written 3 into 60. that is speed into time, we are get the distance value అన్నాడు. The same distance it is also equal to length of the first train plus length of the second train. What is the first train length? 230 plus second train length అన్నాడు. And 3 how many times? 6 times. 6 how many times? 10 times అన్నాడు. Left hand side 500, right hand side 230 plus L2, then L2 equal to 270 అన్నాడు. Next 61. A and B enter into a partnership with investments in the ratio of 3:5. After a few months, A withdraw and collected back his money. At the end of the year, they received the profits in the ratio of 2:5. After how many months did A withdraw? And here starting to ending, total how many months? 12 months. Then B capital are used for how many months? Which one are left? A left. Then B capital are used for 12 months. But we required which one time? A time. First, what is the profits ratio? 2:5. What is the investment ratio? 3:5. We know the profits and we know the investments, but we required timer. Profit by investment. Profit by investment means 2/3 and 5/5. What is the ratio? 2:3. That is time ratio. A time is how many parts? 2 parts. B time are 3 parts. What is the 3 parts value? 12 months. What is the 2 parts value? 8 months. Then what is the question here? After how many months did A withdraw from the business? After 8 months he left the business. Means his capital are used for 8 months. Next 62. A tire has 2 punctures. The first puncture alone would have made the tire flat in how many minutes? 45 minutes. And the second puncture alone would have done it in 90 minutes. If air had leaked out a constant rate, then how long would it have taken for both the punctures together? Or the first one alone? 45. Second one alone? 90. But we required together. Together means product by sum. What is the product value? 45 into 90. Sum value 135. 45 3 times. 3 how many times? 30 times. What is the answer? 30. I think A alone 45 minutes, B alone 90 minutes. We required A and B together. Means product by sum or product by difference? Product by sum. Next 63. Skip the 63 question. అంత కాన్సెప్ట్ నేను చెప్పలేను మీకు, ఓకేనా? ఆల్మోస్ట్ 7 minutes కాన్సెప్ట్ అది, అంత కాన్సెప్ట్ నా వల్ల కాదు, ఓకేనా? స్కిప్ ద క్వశ్చన్. అంటే 2 యాంగిల్సే ఉంటుంది. ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్ చెప్పాలంటే మీకు ఆ క్వశ్చన్కి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలంటే ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఒక 5 to 6 minutes టైం పడుతుంది. అంత కాన్సెప్ట్ నా వల్ల కాదు, ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 64. ప్యూర్ మ్యాథ్స్ మనకు సంబంధం లేదు కదా. నెక్స్ట్, ఇఫ్ a square plus b square equal to 65, ab equal to 8, a greater than b greater than 0, then find the value of a square minus b square. 65, it is nearby 8 square. Means one is 8 square, another one 1 square. A value 8, b value 1. A into b 8. A square plus b square 65. But we required a square minus b square. What is the answer? 63. Next question number 65. Sin square pi minus 3 sin pi plus 2 by cos square pi equal to 1. And pi value in between 0 to 90. In between 0 to 90, take the pi value 30. Take the pi value 30. What is the sin 30? 1/2 means 1/4 minus 3 sin pi 3/2 plus 2 or not by, what is the denominator? Cos 30 root 3/2 or not. Square means 3/4. What is the numerator? 1/4 minus 3/2 plus 2. Nothing but LCM 4. 1, 2 how many times? 2 times. 2 3 the 6. 1 minus 6, 5. Means it is 4. Minus 4 or plus 4? Sorry, minus 5. Minus 5 by which one? 4 plus 2 or not? 4 and 2 LCM 4. 4 how many times? 1 time. 2, 3, 2 times. 2 3 the 6. Minus 6 plus 1. Minus 5 by 4 plus 2. What is the value we are getting? 3 by 4 or not? It is numerator or denominator? Numerator. Numerator 3 by 4. Denominator also 3 by 4. That is equal to how much? 1. Right hand side value 1 or not? Then take the pi value how much? 30 or not? Substitute the pi value in given equation or not? Cos 60 or not? 2 pi means cos 60. What is the cos 60? 1 by 2. Next sin 90. 1 cosecant 60. Sin 60 reverse or not? What is the sin 60? Root 3 by 2. Reverse means 2 by root 3. What is the LCM? 1 by 2 minus 1 means minus 1 by 2 or plus 1 by 2? Minus 1 by 2. Plus how much value? 2 by root 3 or not? What is the answer? First option or second option? Fourth option. Minus 3 by 6. Fourth option. One is negative, another one positive. Minus 3 by 6 minus 1 by 2. 4 root 3 by 6. That is 2 by root 3 or not? Next question number 66. X power 4 minus 79 x square plus 1 equal to which one? 0. Find the value of x plus x power minus 1. X plus x power minus 1 means this one we written x plus 1 by x equal to how much or not? And x power 4 minus 79 x square plus 1 equal to 0. First of all, left hand side negative 79 x square, it will become right hand side positive 79 x square or not? This one I written x power 4 plus 1 equal to how much? 79 x square. Then entire equation is divided by x square or not? Then we are getting x square plus 1 by x square equal to which one? 79 or not? Then x plus 1 by x equal to how much? 9 or not? 79. Right hand side we are adding plus 2. Left hand side also we are adding plus 2 or not? Cut out. X square plus 1 by x square plus 2 equal to how much? 81 or not? This one we written x plus 1 by x whole power 2 equal to which one? 81. X plus 1 by x equal to 9 or not? Next question number 67. If the percentage of male employees in office C is 20% and that of females in E is 40%, what is the ratio of the number of female employees in E to that of in C? First, C, what the degrees are given? 54 degrees. In that male is how much percent? 20%. Obviously remaining 80% are females or not? In C, females is how much? 80% of how many degrees? 54 degrees or not? Yes or no? Next, in E, females is how much? 40%. What is the E how many degrees? 72 degrees or not? In that 72, females is how much? 40%. 40% of how many degrees? 72 degrees or not? Left hand side females in E, right hand side females in C or not? Required ratio or not? 40 how many times? 2 times. And 2 into 54, 108 or not? 36 2s are 36 3s are not? What is the answer? 2:3. Next question number 68. The selling price of a mobile phone is how much? 59,620 and it was sold at 8.4% profit. What is the cost price of the mobile phone? Cost price we are always consider 100%. What is the profit value? 8.4 means selling price 108.4. In place of 108.4, how much value are given? 59,620 are. But we required cost price are 59620, 11 multiple, 5 plus 6 11, 9 plus 2 11, that is 11 multiple are. Answer must be 11 multiple. Which option? Second one. Next question number 69. What is the ratio of the total number of workers whose daily wages are less than 450? Less than 450 means 30. And total number of workers whose daily wages are 650 and above. 650 above means 35. What is the ratio? 6:7. Next question number 70. A shopkeeper marks an article X% above the cost price and sells it by allowing 30% discount on the market price. If there is a loss of 4.8%, what is the question here? What is the value of X? Discount is how much? 30%. Then selling price 70% of market price. Next, what is the loss value? 4.8. Then selling price is 95.2% of cost price. Left hand side 70% of market price. Right hand side 95.2% of cost price. Both are equal or different? Equal. Selling price and selling price. Then 14 how many times? 14 or 7? 7 how many times? 10 times. 7 how many times? 1, 3, 6 or not? 13.6. Market price by cost price equal to how much? 13.6 by 10 or not? This one we written 136 by 100 or not? How much percent are more? 36% more or not? Means X equal to how much? 36 or not? Above means 36% are above or not? Or this type of questions don't written again equation. 30% discount. What is the one of the value? 70. Next 4.8% loss. 95.2. 70 is the actually it is market price. But 95.2 cost price. Reverse are taken. Market price by cost price. Market price is more value. Cost price is less value. Because market price is always more than the cost price. 30% discount means 70. That is treated as cost price. 4.8% loss means what is the selling price? 95.2. That is considered market price. Reverse are taken. Directly we are get the ratio. Next 71. What is the compound interest on a sum of 62,500 for how many years? 2 years at 12% per annum. If the interest is compounded for 8 months. In 2 years, total how many months are there? 24 months or not? 24 months. But your interest is calculated every 8 months or not? Means first 8 months, second 8 months, last 8 months or not? Then every 8th month ending amount, it is also equal to principal of 9th month or not? 8th month ending amount, it is equal to principal of 9th month. Means 8 months, 8 months, 8 months. Total how many times we need? 3 times or not? What is the per annum rate of person? 12%. Then 8 months rate of person? 8% or not? Per annum means 12 months. 12 months is how much? 12%. We are calculated 8 months means what is the 8 months rate of person? 8%. How many times we need? 3 times or only 1 time? 3 times. It is similar to how many years format? 3 years format or not? First 8 months, second 8 months, last 8 months. What is the 8% of 62,500? 5,000? 5,000 or not? 10% is how much? 6250. 2%? 1250. Subtracting 5,000 or not? First 8 months interest 5,000. Next 8 months interest 5,000 plus 8% of 5,000. What is the interest? 400. Total how many months are completed? 16 months. Again 8 months we required. What is the 8% of 62,500? 5000 plus 400 plus interest on second 8 months around 5400 in that how much percent? 8% around. What is the 8% of 5400? 432 around. First 8 months 5000, second 8 months 5000 plus interest on first 8 months around. Last 8 months simple interest plus interest on first 8 months plus interest on second 8 months around. What is the total interest? 16,232 around. Next question number 72. A ladder 18 meters long rests against a wall so that angle between the ladder and the wall is how much? 30 degrees. How far in meters is the base of the ladder from the wall or not? First, it is height of the wall or not? AB is the height of the wall and AC is the ladder or not? What is the ladder length are given? 18 meters or not? Ladder length is given how much? 18 meters. The angle between ladder and wall is how much? 30. And here angle is how much? 30 or not? And already B value 90. 90 plus 30, 120 complete. What is the remaining? 60 or not? What is the question here? How far is the base of the ladder from the wall? Nothing but we required BC value or AB value? BC value or not? Okay. And here 60 means we required base and we know the hypotenuse value or not? Then take the cos 60 or sin 60? Cos 60. Cos 60 it is equal to which one? BC by AC or not? What is the cos 60? 1 by 2. BC value we don't know, by AC value 18. Then BC equal to 9 or not? Next question number 73. What is the sum of the numbers between 400 and 500 such that when they are divided by 6, 12 and 16 and it leaves no remainder or some remainder? No remainder means it is exactly divisible by given numbers or not? First to take the LCM of, just concentrate on here numbers are in between 400 and 500. What is the LCM of 6, 12, 16? 48 or not? LCM of 6, 12 and 16 how much? 48 means we required 48 multiples in between 400 and 500. Okay, 48 10 times how much? 480. 480 less than 500. Next, out of 480 we are subtracting 48. What is the remaining? 432 or not? Yes or no? Again we are subtracting 48. It is less than 400 or more than 400? Less than 400. If you are subtracting 48, 432 minus 48, it is less than 400 or more than 400? Less than 400. But here condition in between 400 and 500 means how many numbers are possible? 2 numbers or only 1? 2 numbers. What is the question here? Sum of the numbers or not? What is the answer? 912. Skip the 74 also. Next question number 75. If cosecant A equal to how much? Secant B. Cosecant and secant means A plus B equal to 90 or not? Sin and cos also A plus B value 90. Tan and cot also A plus B value 90. And A and B are which one? Acute angles. What is the question here? What is the value of A plus B? What is the A plus B value? 90 or not? 74 and the concept cheppalante time padutundi. Just skip the question. Okay.